this team, like I felt so taken care of, you know? And the more that we did, the easier it got.
From the manta ray night shoot, and she showed it to me, and I was like, "Who's that?" And I was like, "Oh, that's me!" It's so cool to see yourself in literally a different light. You get to have these conversations with people who are professional and who have done this and who are skilled, and they guide you through it, and you feel supported and amazing. And then you get to review it, and you get to see the results, which is even more awesome. And to do it around like creatures in the ocean, so much cooler than a pool.
It's elevating my career. I've never thought I'd be into modeling. I never thought I'd be able to go ahead and pose. And just being able to show the fact that my childhood dream has become a reality. It may sound cliche, but back in the 80s and 90s, they always pushed marine biology as like one of the key things that you can do in your future. And I kind of get the best of both worlds now. I'm not a scientist. I don't have to do all the work. I literally get to show up, throw on a mermaid tail or clothing, get in the ocean, visit these animals, these amazing sites and locations, and live the wildest dream that nobody else can imagine.
People here are amazing. You don't have to feel like you are an expert or that you are a model, because I'm neither of those. And I tell you today, I feel so happy that I did this. Sharks, me, being around sharks, and they're like resting on my feet and I'm not freaking out. I was like, I might just be a mermaid. And Submerged made that happen. And I think that everyone that has an interest in diving or going into the water should go to this trip. Even if they don't want to put on a mermaid tail, if they are doing discovery diving or just learning, this is the place. Absolutely a wonderful experience.